In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your midjourney subscription. We'll walk through the exact steps on the website and then cover an optional Discord shortcut. By the end, you'll know how to cancel confidently, what happens to your access, and how your images are handled afterward. Start by visiting midjourney.com and signing in with the same account you used when you subscribed. Make sure you're using the correct login method, whether that's the email or platform you originally used. Being on the right account ensures you're looking at the correct subscription. Once you're signed in, head to the Manage Subscription page. You may see it labeled as Manage Sub, and it's typically found in your account or billing area. This page is where you can view your current plan, check your renewal date, and manage changes. On the Manage Subscription page, select Cancel Plan. You'll be asked to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the cancellation. After that, your plan won't renew, but the cancellation doesn't cut off your access immediately. It takes effect at the end of your current billing cycle, which means you can continue using midjourney until that date. If you have remaining GPU time, you can still use it during this period, so consider spending any leftover minutes before your plan ends. A helpful note about your content: your previously generated images and your account history are not deleted when you cancel. You'll retain access to them after your subscription ends, so you can still view and download your work later. This is great if you're stepping away temporarily or just trimming costs. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. After cancelling, look for a confirmation message on the page and make a quick note of your current billing end date. If you like, take a screenshot of the cancellation status for your records. When you return to the Manage Subscription page, it should reflect that your plan will not renew. If you prefer using Discord, there's an alternative route. Open a chat with the Midjourney bot and type the /command subscribe. The bot will return a personal link to your Manage Subscription page. Click that link and you'll land on the same place where you can cancel your plan. Just make sure the browser session you open is signed into the same account tied to your subscription. That's it. Log in, open Manage Subscription, cancel and confirm. And remember that your access continues until the end of your billing cycle and your images remain available afterward.